Robert Burns collected this song after hearing it from an old shepherd in 1788. Later on, he added 2 more paragraphs composed by himself to the original song, which was released in 1799 as his creation. This famous Scottish folk song later on spread worldwide and became very popular. The tune of the song has attained the present form through numerous modifications.
Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot and never sign? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness here for all lang syne. We turn above the breast and would go once fine, but we wandered not the very foots in old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness here for old lang syne.
Rabindranath Tagore composed the song Puranoshe Diner Kotha upon getting inspired by not only the tune but also by the lyrics and feelings of this Scottish song.